In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Muppet-style photo in an easy and straightforward way. So let's get started. First, you'll need to go to your web browser and open Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, go to the search bar and type in Google Gemini. Hit enter, and you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official Google Gemini website. It should be listed among the top results, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Google Gemini page where we can begin our transformation journey. Once you're on the Google Gemini website, look for the option that says Create Image. It usually has an icon of a banana next to it to make it easier to spot. Click on Create Image to proceed. Now, you're in the image creation section where you'll see a plus sign icon. This is where you get to upload the photo you want to transform. So click on the plus sign and your file explorer will open, allowing you to select the image of your choice from your computer. Once you've picked the photo you want to transform into a Muppet style, upload it to the site. With the image uploaded, it's time to get creative. You'll see an option to write a prompt. In this case, you'll want to enter the phrase, "Turn this into a Muppet style," into the prompt box. This specific text tells the tool exactly what kind of transformation you're aiming for, converting your image into something that looks like it belongs in the whimsical world of Muppets, with all their vibrant colors and playful features. After typing out your prompt, it's time for the magic to happen. Look for the Submit button, usually located towards the bottom of the page, and click on it. This sends your photo and your creative prompt to Google Gemini's processing system. The system will take a moment to work its wonders, applying its algorithms to transform your image based on the Muppet-style prompt you've provided. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to breathe new life into your photo, giving it a delightful Muppet-style makeover. Remember, this tool is all about exploring your creativity, so feel free to experiment with different images and prompts to see what unique outputs you can create. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun turning your photos into Muppet-style creations. See you in the next video.